Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time, nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah, to be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby, tell them other n***s bye-bye. Yeah, come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Those must be the school students, guys. They take boat to go to school. What happened?
Lucky dad so soon.
I kiss him, mommy.
Was you lucky that dad so soon? Tears in my eyes.
Vacation. Vacation. That's cool.
Oh, be careful. What? Lucky your dad so soon.
Guys, Island, I love the beach.
Lucky my dad so soon. Lucky
You
my
cry every single day if we go in the water. So just there, I watch him. Oh, you went for the boat tour. This boy down here have a good time in the water. This is Fiji for you. Really beautiful, man. Nice vibes. And we hear lots of reggae music on the radio. Like reggae is really big here, heavily promoted on the radio. From I've been here, babies, lots of reggae we hear on the radio.
Yeah.
Like it's heavily promoted here.
This is Alpha Blondie playing now, guys.
Yeah. Really
He's
good.
Senegalese, I think.
Oh yeah.
From Senegal. Actually, no, Ivory Coast, my bad. Oops.
Okay.
No, Ivory Coast.
Alright, so going out on the kayak this morning. Me, babes, on island. Going for a quick paddle and explore. Paddle feels quite big. Oh, it's good. I think it should be good.
Okay, I'm jumping in.
You go in first. This is glass there. Beautiful.
Hey guys, we're out in the ocean, paddling away, paddling away, 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 away into the well.
They have punk here in Fiji.
For real.
Like the ones that we have in Fiji.
For real.
realize it?
Where?
It's quite shallow right here. Literally shallow.
Really?
Yeah, we pass the deep end there, then it gets shallow here.
Can we swim here? Oh, we can't swim here. Hey guys, we're kayaking in the middle of Fiji.
That's another, like a local village here, I'm guessing.
Down there?
So, Dwarley.
Oh. Yeah, that must be the local village. Okay.
Cave. Dada. Cave. Oh.
Oh wow. We're far away, guys. We're far away. Hey, babe? Oh, there's a spider. Look. Come here, on. Move your hand. Where's your face? Where's your sunnies? You got your sunnies on? Good boy. Oh, nice. Hang on. Here.
Yeah, man.
And we're going to a baker's home.
Yeah, a tea shop they call it.
Tea shop, they call it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So,
Wanna say hi to everyone, Island? Boy, if we
Being
tell
rude.
you, this little boy here has been one little spoiled boy.
Yeah,
And when I say spoiled, we don't spoil him,
yeah.
but he's acting like one of those children that come from like the royal family,
Yeah.
and
Oh,
they
yeah.
get everything that they want
No
when
work,
they
so-
want. So I've been disciplining him the last few days.
Well, we've been disciplining him.
Yes, sorry, babe. We've been disciplining him.
Yeah.
Because he's just been really unruly.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
So he's getting to that age where he thinks he can just rule mum and dad.
And it's up here, I think.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and then what he tries to do is that it's like when he's in public, he feel like he can get away with doing certain things. So he tries it in public, and yeah, it doesn't work like that.
Yeah.
You know, so he must have to learn.
He has to learn, guys.
Yeah, man. So we're on our way to the tea shop, guys. Gonna try out the cake and maybe see what else is there. Yeah, man.
You talk.
So it's been our experience been good so far in Fiji.
There you go.
Good and bad, you know. There's lots of stuff that we like, and there's a lot of stuff that we don't. That doesn't seem right, but you know, that's how it goes.
Like the food.
Yeah.
The food is very a basic food.
Yeah.
It's very how do I explain it? It's not what me and Babe like are used to, and not what we actually wanted, because is a type of food that you can just make back home. Like, just not being mean or judgmental in any type of way, but when you come to a country, you want to explore and you want to try different cultural foods. You don't want to try fried rice. Like, everybody eats fried rice wherever you go.
Local food,
yeah, you know, serve us up a platter of taro with fish and coconut, you know, like that kind of stuff. But hey, everybody, it's different, you know. So hopefully next stop we go will be a homestay, and that's where we'll get the real authentic, not whitewashed culture. Yeah,
hopefully.
That's what I call it anyway. Please excuse me if I'm saying the wrong thing, but
yeah, I guess they're just catering for tourists, so you get the tourist way of life.
Yeah, no.
But I still don't feel like a tourist though.
Yeah. I don't want to feel like that.
Yeah, and I don't like the treatment of fun.
Yeah.
I mean, to some people might feel good, you know, they're privileged or whatever. I just,
yeah, I don't like
feel
that
like I
feeling.
can do stuff for myself.
Here, Island.
Island this way.
We're here. We are here. Up this way. Tusi. Hi.
Hello.
Bula. Bula. Hello. We are here to try your famous cake.
It's really good.
Good? Yeah, we just got told.
Banana cake.
Yeah, you got banana cake today. Nice. Lovely.
So you need it.
Just
2 piece?
2 piece? Yeah.
Take it, I'll bring it.
Okay, very good. Well, they have lemon tea and ginger tea. Tusi, you have ginger tea, lemon tea?
Only the lemon tea.
Only lemon tea. We get one. Vanaka? So this is the tea house settings.
Ocean view.
Yeah. Beautiful. Did you make that chocolate cake last night? Oh, you're so, wow, that's really nice. Can I also, what other drinks do you have? You have I might get a coconut water. The one, yeah. Yeah, can I? Okay, good. Excellent. Thank you, Vanaka.
Wait, you go get it? No, you go
Look at
get
these
it.
guys. Nice. That's a real herbal lemon tea.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
You've money.
Hey, listen to him straight away.
Yeah, okay. I'll talk to you.
Look, guys, coconuts. Island. You want coconuts? Okay, Daddy, we're going to move this out the way so he don't mush up his clothes.
See how he's doing and can do that. Or your juice and that hasn't worked.
You drink a lot of water as well?
Yeah, we can drink
Nice.
water.
Okay.
Yeah.
And there they have this bar, and they have pineapple juice whatsoever. Different bars.
I'll just tell him to book it. I've been like, I kind of said I don't really care what the cost
Here you go.
And it's very nice.
I invited my hand.
Bula Fiji, no hurry, no worry. No problem. Fiji, no problem. Lovely.
I have fun.
So this is the tea shop, guys.
Yeah.
Ah, you have a television here. Didn't realize.
Vanaka to see we're going now. Vanaka.
Vinaka.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for
You're welcome.
everything. You're a very good baker.
Yeah, very good.
So you're leaving?
Yeah, tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
we leave, so we come to support you a little bit.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for baking some good cakes, and now everybody can see and they can come to see you at. What do you call this place? Nabula? No. What do you call your place?
Travelers Beach Tea Shop.
Okay, Travelers
Beach tea shop.
Tea shop, guys. Come and see Tusi, and he'll give you all these nice cakes.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. All right.
Go back. You said travel.
Yes.
Thank you.
We'll come back.
Come
Yep.
back.
We'll come back. Yes, we'll come. Of course, we
Hope
have
you're
to.
going to see each other again.
Yeah, of course, and all the best to your
Yes.
pregnancy.
Thank you.
All right, take care. God bless.
All right, take care.
Enjoy the rest of the evening.
Thank you. You too.
Bye.
Okay.
Yeah. That was great.
Yeah, guys.
We're here, guys.
We made it back to our lodge.
Yes.
So yeah, the cake was nice and the tea.
Cake was good.
Yeah, everybody good.
Everybody good, but Bobo's still on his crying rage.
So we'll have to fix him up again.
Oh, honestly, guys, it's been a horrible time with this boy. You know, he hasn't settled. He wants to do what he wants to do and forget about everybody else.
Yeah.
So
This camera doesn't focus. Sometimes I just go out of focus, guys. Yeah. Yeah, man. So as we were saying, like even before, you know, I don't know if it's the same, babe, but it's so new to me being like a tourist, because this is my first actual country, like actually like we travel to as a tourist in a sense. You see, it's like it feels different. Even when the guy was cutting the coconut for me and all that, it's like I'm so not used to it. You know, it's just those little things that I'm like, huh, this feels very strange. It's not me. You know what I mean? It's like, yeah, I'm still feel like a local from Jamaica. You know what I mean?
yeah.
Yeah. One of them things there. Yeah, man.
But yeah, this is our last night here, guys.
Yeah, tomorrow we're gonna go to a homestay, which is interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Tomorrow will be interesting because we get to stay with the family
Yeah,
and see the actual real side of Fiji
yeah,
culture.
yeah, man.
That's what we want, and we've been told just recently that homestays are the best.
Yeah.
So guys, who knows, that might be a thing for us in Jamaica.
Yeah, because I've never heard of homestay until we're
Until
actually
now.
coming here.
Yeah, I've never heard of that too.
Yeah, like
Hang on.
homestay is
If
basically
anybody,
like,
oh, look at that.
oh, big mosquito.
Ooh, it's
Kill it
sucking
there.
my blood. No.
Shit.
Oh,
Should I kill it there?
oh yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. Hey,
yeah.
we're here home.
So I've never heard of homestay before, and it's like basically you live with the local and learn their way, yeah, their way of life. Yeah, so that's pretty interesting.
Yeah.
Man.
So that's also really good. If it happens in Jamaica, let us know in the comments.
Yeah.